Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Go.
A senior police officer told us this all began when they arrested 25 members of the RASTA city gang. Now, that left their gang neutralized, and the other gang decided to step in and take advantage. And this is why police officers are here, to quell any disturbances that can happen. And now they're going to remain here throughout the rest of the night to keep people safe. Already, we have seen some family members being taken into police vans for their own safety.
Shots now ring out, all shots now ring out, everybody ducking out, shots now ring out. Shots now ringing out, all shots ringing out. Shots ringing out, shots ringing out, shots ringing out. Shots ringing out, all shots ringing out. Shots ringing out, shots ringing out, shots ringing out. Shots ringing out, all shots ringing out. They're transferring prisoners, No?
Rasta City versus Muslim City. Two gangs in a Trinidad. You see me? Yeah. So all of this we say take place at a place that is called Nelson Street. That is Port of Spain, Trinidad. You see? Where, as you hear what the man said before, which is a well-known news reporter that, you know, are doing inside scoop. Police arrest 25, it can be more, you know, are the gang members from the Rasta City, and that give the Muslim City gang an advantage to move in to do damage. You see me? I tell you, you don't know. As always, me just try to keep you all up to date with what going on on social media right now. You see me? I say, and this is a crisis right now in Trinidad and Tobago, where a lot of our Caribbean brothers and sisters would really like to know what's going on, because believe you me, you know, we hear say Venezuelan gang or crew, or what they call it, moving in Trinidad, you see me? And now we are here say this, so we don't know what really are going on. You see me, with Trinidad right now, you see. But anyways, I don't know the thing already. You know, if you want to stay up to date, you don't know, you have to click the subscribe button, because the Dancehall Skilla bring everything to you that's going on hot on social media right now. Leave your comment, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla, And this way just see a Dancehall Skilla ENT, uno big up on yourself, you don't know the thing already, you see it.